What if a common parenting tool used by millions to help babies sleep was once tested in a way that would be unthinkable today? This is the story of a controversial infant study, the white noise baby experiment from the 1990s. Researchers at a major university were investigating how newborns perceive and process sound. Their goal was to understand the early development of the auditory system and how infants distinguish different types of noise. The experiment involved exposing newborn infants to periods of moderately loud, unstructured sound. The researchers were measuring the infants' physiological responses, such as their heart rate and breathing. This was to see how their developing nervous systems reacted to this type of auditory stimulus. The results provided data on the infant's stress response and sensory processing. However, the study concluded that exposure to this type of noise did not produce long-term negative consequences, a finding that remains a point of discussion. The controversy is clear. The study involved subjecting very young, nonverbal infants to a potentially distressing experience. Modern ethical standards place a much greater emphasis on minimizing any potential distress to infant participants, making a replication of this specific study highly unlikely today. So, what is the lesson for our daily lives? This experiment reminds us of the profound responsibility we have when making decisions for those who cannot speak for themselves. Whether in research, parenting, or caregiving, it highlights the importance of prioritizing comfort and well-being. Ultimately, it teaches us to be critical and cautious consumers of information, especially when it involves vulnerable populations. It encourages us to ask questions, seek out the gentlest and most respectful approaches, and always advocate for the well-being of those in our care. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.